Nifty is at 24780, 50 points down. Sensex is at 81334, 250 points down. Varya Investments weekly top picks. Escorts at 3242, target 3645. Sonata Soft at 422, target 565. Varya Investments, your reliable partner to achieve long-term goals. Stock market investments are subject risks. Before investing, consult us personally. Our contact details: Varya Investments, Bengaluru, cell 9949255949. No need to chase the next hot stock. Slow and steady wins this race. Second, set up automatic investments. Most platforms let you schedule contributions, so you can invest a set amount every month without lifting a finger. It's the ultimate set it and forget it strategy. Third, play the long game. Markets go up and down, but history shows over time they tend to rise. Don't panic over short-term drops. Focus on the big picture. Finally, keep learning. The more you know, the better your decisions. Podcasts, blogs, and quick videos like this can keep you sharp. No MBA required. So if you're ready to grow your wealth with minimal effort, get started today. Your future self will thank you, and maybe even buy you a coffee.